Good morning, everyone. So, today I am going to make a PowerPoint presentation using the Canva Education. So, first I open the Canva browser and then I log in my account, which is the Google account, and then I look for a template that I will be using for my PowerPoint presentation. So, there's a lot of template provided by the Canva that you can use. So some of it has need to be used as a pro, and some of them are free to use. So this is the template that I've used. I've used this color blue with different kinds of designs. So as upon entering my discussions or my lessons today, I used my Microsoft Word to copy and to paste it in my Canva PowerPoint presentation. So you can use the different font style, size, and color for your PowerPoint presentation that will fit your output. So this is a very interesting application that you can use to present your PowerPoint presentation in your discussion. So I am looking for my lesson and integrate it into the PowerPoint presentation. You just have to copy the title and paste it into your presentation template, and then you just have to adjust the size that will fit your PowerPoint presentation or the slides. With the use of this the Canva template, I can easily make my PowerPoint presentation and it is less hassle. There you have it. You can adjust the sizes. In this part, I am still copying my lesson into a PowerPoint presentation, and I didn't use too much sentences because it will make the PowerPoint too crowded. So I made it at least 6 lines per slides so that the students can be able to see it clearly. So I am adjusting and making it more bigger so it is more clearer to the eyes of the learner. While using this application or the Canva for Education, I've noticed that I can insert pictures, videos, text, elements that can be more attractive to the eyes of the learners. So this is how you make a PowerPoint presentation through the use of the Canva. After I put all my lessons, I remove the excess template that is not used. And after that, I've saved my PowerPoint presentation. You can download it as a PowerPoint presentation, as a picture, or you can directly save it into your account or your Google Drive. So once you save it, you can now use it offline and it will be available every time you needed it. So this is the output of my presentation. So that will be all. Thank you.